Hey, what's up, folks? How is it going? So, I'm back again with one more interview question. Container, based on container. So, when will you use Buildah, not Docker? Give some example scenarios. So, Buildah is like a kind of Build and Docker both help in building and managing container images. And sometimes Buildah is more preferred than Docker. So, today we are going to discuss about that. When we are going to prefer Buildah. So, we can go to Buildah website, buildah.io, and you can see about Buildah. Okay, and tool that facilitates building OCI container images. So first point, rootless container image building for security. So let's say a referential institute wants to build a container image without granting root privilege to developer. So in that case, they will use a Buildah, not Docker. But nowadays, Docker also started providing rootless access without root. But traditionally, Docker used to have root access, but Docker can run rootless now. But still, this recent feature, like Buildah's rootless approach, is generally considered more secure. So why Buildah? Buildah allows building image without requiring root access, reducing security risk. Docker needs root access, which can be security concern. If you have root permission, you can do a lot more things. But yeah, Docker recently, Docker has also has rootless access now. Second option, second scenario could be a DevOps team needs to build container image inside a Kubernetes cluster without running Docker demo. So if you want to run Kubernetes cluster inside a Kubernetes cluster without running Docker daemon, then Buildah is preferred because Buildah is daemonless. It doesn't have any daemon. Can run inside Kubernetes CI/CD pipeline like GitHub Action, GitLab CI/CD without extra dependencies. So it doesn't need any extra dependencies. It's a daemonless. If you want to run in a daemonless environment, then Buildah is preferred. Docker requires a running daemon, making it harder to use CI/CD pipeline without additional setup. So you need to do additional setup to run Docker in that CI/CD pipeline. So rootless, daemonless, lightweight container image building. A startup wants to reduce resource usage and building container images on developer machines and cloud environment. That could be another scenario. Build is a lightweight, doesn't need continuously running background service. Docker consumes extra memory because of daemon process. So you need more memory because a daemon process is continuously running. Another advantage is custom image building without a Docker file. Builder doesn't need Docker file. It can even you can use image. You can create image with shell script and commands like Buildah. You can use Docker file also, but you can use a shell script also to build the image. But Docker needs a Docker file for image creation. Okay. In case the developer needs more flexibility, so that is also possible. Maybe you want to automate and you want to in the automation you want to just call script to create the image and some more flexibility. So Builder can be used. Building images on Kubernetes and OpenShift. Company running on OpenShift, which restricts Docker usage and needs to build container images directly inside the cluster. So Buildah is integrated into OpenShift, works well with its security model. Docker requires special permission to run inside the Kubernetes OpenShift. Minimal base image, distroless image. A developer wants to create minimal or distroless image just for application, no extra dependencies. So Buildah supports creating image from scratch, reducing attack surface and image size. Docker always needs a base image. Always you need a base image for Docker, but Buildah doesn't need any base image. You can do it from the scratch. Okay. And faster and parallel image building. Devops team needs to build multiple content images simultaneously to speed up development cycle. Buildah supports parallel with independent process. Docker builds sequentially using a Docker build with extra configuration. So, what are the different scenarios? Just quickly, we'll have a look at it. Rootless. Now, Docker also is providing rootless, but traditionally, Docker was uh, access is to be like with root access. CI/CD, where you want to build image inside Kubernetes cluster. Daemonless, then container image building, lightweight container image building, custom image building without Docker file. You can use script or build a command. building images on Kubernetes or OpenShift if you want to do it in on Kubernetes and OpenShift. Minimal base image because it's without image you can start from scratch. So these are the advantages. Daemonless, it's yes. Now Docker also supporting okay, Docker is support needs daemon. Rootless, yes. And now Docker is also becoming rootless. Works inside the Kubernetes, yes. It needs some extra permission. Docker needs extra permission. Supports Docker file. It also supports, but it can it supports scripting without Docker file. Build up from scratch. It always needs Docker file. Integration with OpenShift, yes. Native support is there. Needs some extra step. Parallel image building, yes. No, without Docker buildings. Without Docker buildings, it's not possible. Some extra configuration. So it's all these are like comes with this. All these features comes with Buildah. And Buildah, it's exclusive for Linux system. Docker for broader compatibility like Windows, Linux, etc. Buildah's mainly boasts security measures compared to Docker, eliminating the need for a daemon operating on a socket root level access. Buildah provides greater flexibility and control during image building process, allow image creation without the need of Docker file. Image size, Buildah produces image that demands fewer resources for transportation. Okay. So lightweight, secure, rootless, daemonless container builder, go for Buildah. But if you are familiar with Docker file workflow, simple command line interface, then go for Docker. Okay. So let's start the today's question. This is the question I posted on my LinkedIn page, Devops Challenger. When should you choose Docker, choose build over Docker? When you need to run multiple OS instances on a single host, when you require rootless, daemonless container image building, when you need to run legacy Windows application. Okay, this is the scenario where you want to use Buildah. And I hope you like this video and please like and follow my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow my LinkedIn Devops Challenge arm. There I post a lot of daily quizzes. And also follow my WhatsApp channel. You will be finding link below down below the video or my LinkedIn page. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video.